National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Alamance County, southern Orange County, Wake County, Durham County, Chatham County, central Franklin County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located from near Pittsburgh to near Durham, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Pittsburgh, Siler City, Wake Forest, Garner, Carrboro, and Zebulon. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: